girl. Drop. Catch again. Catch. Good girl. Sit. Sit. Itch. Back up. Back. Yo, how's it going? So today, what we're gonna do, wait, what are you doing? I already did a video on this, on her paw massage, or massaging her paw, but that one seemed to be, or rather went a little messy in a way, so I'm gonna make another video on it, another, I don't know, I guess you say a do-over. So what I'm gonna do, Daisy, can you sit straight that way? I'm gonna leave this ball for now. Yes, you're being a good girl. Okay. So what I'm gonna do, this is an easier way for me to do it, so I'm gonna go behind her and move her over a little bit so she's in the middle of the frame. So what I'm gonna show, you want a little massage, Daisy? You like a little massage, Daisy? Yeah, you like that, don't you? Yeah. Yeah, does that feel good? Yes, I know it does feel good, doesn't it? Yes. Yeah, that feels good. So I'm gonna massage her front paws here and her leg. Does that feel good? Yes, that feels good. And massage her top part of her paw. And massage every little fingers. And then massage her paw pads here. I don't know how far you can see, but I hope you can see good. Yes, you want a little massage? Massage. Yes, you feel good. Yes, you feel good. Yeah. And maybe you want to massage this part because that feels good for a dog too. Yes, that feels good, right? Yes, that feels good. And massage her paw pads and her little smaller paw pads. And then do her other leg. Daisy, Daisy. Massage her back too, so make sure she's, I don't know, maybe calm, I guess you can use. Make sure she's calm and relaxed. Put your head up, look at the camera. Massage this leg. Yes, that feels good, isn't it? Yeah, I know it does. Massage this. Massage your paw pads. Bop, 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 bop. Bop, 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 bop. Bop, 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 bop. And massage your back again, how I showed in the earlier videos. Yeah. And I'm gonna kind of flip her over on her back, so her back is gonna be leaning against me. It's gonna look funny. But please, can you sit down? Sit down. Can you sit? Oof. I get sit. Sit. Yes, I know you're doing a good work. Come on, sit down. Not go around. Okay. Yeah, she's doing little tricks right now. Okay, come here. Oh, come on, Val. Come here. Sit. Can you sit? Yes. And then I'm gonna sit her back. Oh yes, that feels good. And then massage this, her bottom hind legs, and her bottom paw pads. Yeah, that feels good, doesn't it? Yeah, that feels good. Yeah, she does. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Massage pocket and the top and the bottom. Oh, yeah, that feels good, doesn't it? And massage this part on the side of her hind legs. Ba, 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 ba. Yeah, she feels good. She's a big baby. Yes, she is. She's 3 years old already. She's gonna be 4 next year, but she's a big baby and she can be naughty too. But yeah, she's pretty much a good girl. Yes, are you a good girl? Yes, are you a good girl? Yeah, you are. Yes, you are. Yeah, does that feel good? Are you comfortable? Are you comfortable? So, yeah, pretty much that. Massage all her paws and make sure she's relaxed. Oh yeah, that feels good. Oh yeah, that feels good. Massage the bottom. Massage this one. Oh, that feels good. Oh, that feels good. Oh, pop, 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 pop. Yeah, what are you doing? Anyway, that's my little do-over. Hey, Daisy, what are you doing? Don't lick that spot on camera. What are you doing? No, this is not gonna be on camera. So yeah, I just wanted to show you that. So yeah, let me know on the comments down below what you think, and hit the like button and hit that subscribe button too. Also, Daisy, you want to do another turnover? Hi, little itchy dog. Come here. Whoa. Come here. Come here. Sit. Oh yeah, she did flip. Good girl. Okay, subscribe to my channel. Leave a link down. Leave a comment down below and tell me what you think. See you later. Daisy, say bye. Okay, see you next time. Peace out.